At the heart of Vision 2040 is transforming agriculture from subsistence to a modern, profitable, competitive sector. But most people involved in agriculture are smallholder farmers who rarely see the policies, hence the slow transformation.
Uganda Vision 2040 recognizes food. It acknowledges nutrition as a key driver of human development and a key driver of human capital development and inclusive growth. We lose 5.6% of our GDP due to poor nutrition. Now, 5.6% of GDP of a poor country is a very big percentage.
Financing agriculture, especially for smallholder farmers, has largely been left to donors and individuals. Now, the civil society, working under the Cascade Project, is calling for a change of approach to allow the private sector to take the center stage.
There is naturally a limit to financing. There is a global cash flow bottleneck, but we are currently saying that let's look at the financing that is currently available in the country. And we know the three major areas, three major players who have the financing for agri-food systems. The three major players are partly government, partly private sector, which is an investor, partly development partners. So whilst there is a bigger financial constraint globally, even locally, we are saying how can we use the current resources we have to make sure that we can leverage each other. So if the private sector is investing in adding value to food and nutrition, how is the government ensuring that the current policies in place are enabling that, and how do we work together? Then if the development factors are also present, how is their current funding also catalyzing the entire environment within which we are working?
We need to be able to make nutrition a viable investment for private sector, because ultimately government sets policies, civil society we mobilize, we influence, we advocate, but it's the private sector that is supposed to make business sense out of nutrition. And for them to do that, that means that the nutrition business must be viable business, must be bankable and financeable, but also it needs to be able to create jobs, then it becomes attractive.
To date, agriculture contributes up to 24% to the national coffers. Racheal Nabisubi for NTV.